small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist.
Hey everybody. What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is gonna be a summer day in my life. Typically my summer days are boring. I do nothing but bed rot. I'm gonna be a little more productive. Also, I have summer school. I gotta do that. But it's credit advancement class. So yeah, bitch, I'm not dumb. In some angles, I look like a man and I don't like that.
Could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you,
yeah, let's get this thing cracking.
And you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna love you with what you're going through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone who cares. Maybe don't you need to show that you cry, yo. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is the time and I come into you, I better get all my love and take it home, baby.
Okay, so this is what I have so far. I'm about to add some grapes. I low-key kind of burnt the bacon because I don't know why I was taking so long to put the, I'm tweaking right now. It's a small batch. I'll show you my breakfast now. I have these 2 breakfast sandwiches. It's just 2 waffles for the buns and the bacon and then eggs with cheese. And this was just regular eggs with cheese. That's grapes. And then I'm gonna top the sandwiches with some syrup. Smooth, pretty smooth. Looking pretty good if you ask me. I'm gonna go eat now. So. Hey, it's Think-a-Butt. It's 12:48. I'm actually gonna take my first ever shower of the summer. Yes.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
Congratulate me. I did ask you to take a shower though. I'm gonna do wash day. My head is actually, I have a beaming headache. Beaming. So I just finished the first half of my filming and I was gonna do the second part, but my mom's like working on her schoolwork right now in the kitchen. I'm doing a cooking video, so I can't work on that, so I'm gonna have to work on something else. We don't want to be cleaning for a whole hour, so I'm gonna do my makeup. Y'all, I have no idea where my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer is at. I'm just gonna use my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I'm gonna use a pimple patch. Always losing this bundle of pimple patches. Oh, they're right here. I honestly should be working on schoolwork too, but girl, that's I don't want to work on that right now. That's the least of my concerns. I have a headache today. I'm not trying to do the schoolwork. I get ahead on my YouTube game. Once I get YouTube in order, then everything else will follow. I swear, y'all, I swear. I'm just gonna use the rest of this Fit Me concealer. I've had this concealer for ages. I need to get a lot more makeup products. Okay. Okay, now that my face is all done up, I'm gonna clean my room, do what I need to do, and then get a quick snack, and then I'll work on some schoolwork. I don't know if I gave y'all the fit of the day, but I'm just gonna show y'all real quick. I just have on this blue top that I stole from an ex-friend's closet. I have all my regular schmegular jewelry that y'all see in every video. I'm so glad I had my jewelry on because I had cheer camp and I couldn't wear my jewelry at all. I felt naked. And we have my gray Nike sweats, which I pretty much always wear them. I'm trying to find a TV show or like something that I can watch. I typically watch podcasts, TV shows while I'm cleaning, and then my TV keeps acting up. Like, I don't know if you can hear it, like literally.
I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Winn-Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run it, check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it.
Okay, so I just finished doing my laundry, and then I just changed out Cat's food bowls, took out the trash. Now I'm about to change out his cat litter. After I'm gonna vacuum, and it should be like, it's 2:40 right now, so by the time I'm done vacuuming it should be 3 o'clock.
Why does somebody not know how to flush a toilet after they've had a shit?
That's not me.
Well, it was fucking one of yous. Disgusting!
Turn the flash off. I'm like Winn-Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
This real ice, I don't need a flash for this shit. For this cash, got a bad bitch that'll do a trick. Designer down, I ain't take the tag off this shit. They ask me why, cause bitch, I paid a bag for this shit.
Okay, so it's actually 3:09 right now. Now I'm just gonna eat a snack and edit. It's like 3:30 right now. I ended up making some cookies, and I'm gonna show y'all in a bit because I'm only supposed to leave it in there for like 10 to 15 minutes, but I'm gonna edit real quick. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna be editing. I'll get back in those cookies in a little bit. The cookies are out. My sister is mopping the house right now. These cookies are fat.
They are fat.
Oh, okay. I don't know how to turn off the oven. Do I off? What do you think? Rate it out of 10.
It's 100.
Let me leave the scene of the crime. Let me stop eating. You don't want to be too big. I don't want to work on schoolwork, bro. Guys, it's actually 8 o'clock right now. I am currently doing my schoolwork. Last time I checked up on y'all, bro, right after I got off the camera, I took a nap. Real shit. I didn't do no type of editing. I woke up, I ate some dinner. I didn't record that. But then I hopped back on my schoolwork, and I've been doing it ever since. It says I'm supposed to complete like 10% of work like every day. So yesterday I was supposed to have 10%, and today I was supposed to have 20. I only have 7.65. So we're gonna try and get to 20 tonight. I'm gonna take my makeup off in a little bit, and I'll do a face mask, and yeah. Guys, it's like almost like 8:30 right now, and I'm gonna take off my makeup, and I'm gonna see if this pimple popped or not. I'm gonna be putting on the Ordinary face mask. Love her down. She gives me such good results. I think I might shave my face. I don't know, but I'm still doing school right now.
Part in particular as it relates to me. Now,
I use micellar water.
This is a group of people that has a shared history.
stop today. It ended up dying when I was like at 9%. I'm just gonna finish washing my face and then I'm gonna go see some cookies.